Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit your room type on booking.com. If you manage a property and need to update room details like bedding configurations, occupancy limits, or descriptions, this process will help you keep your listing accurate and attractive to potential guests. First, open your web browser and head to google.com. In the search bar, type booking.com and click on the first official link that appears. This will take you to the booking.com extranet, which is the portal where property owners and managers handle all their listing details. Make sure you're accessing the official admin site to ensure your account security. Once you're on the extranet homepage, you'll need to sign in using your property owner or manager credentials. Enter your username and password carefully, as these give you access to all your property management tools. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can manage everything related to your property. Now look at the top menu and click on Property. This section is your hub for managing all the specifics of your listing. From the sidebar or menu that appears, select Room Details or Room Types, depending on how your interface is labeled. This is where all your current room configurations are stored and where you can make adjustments. You'll see a list of all the room types you've created for your property. Find the specific room type you want to edit and click the Edit button next to it. This opens up the full editing interface for that particular room. Here, you can update various fields such as the room type name, bedding configuration, room description, maximum occupancy, and other important details that guests see when browsing your property. Take your time to make all the necessary changes to ensure your room information is accurate and appealing. After you've made your updates, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save or Continue to apply your changes. This locks in your edits and updates your live listing. Finally, you'll typically be taken to a summary page where you can review all the changes you've made. Double-check everything to make sure your updates are correct before moving on. And that's it. Your room type on booking.com is now updated with the latest information. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.